guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you like what you see, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload, and make sure you like and comment below. And if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you like and comment as well, and I thank you and appreciate you for continuing to rock with me. But as you can tell from the title of the video, today I will be showing you how I style my new short, I guess, TWA. But before we get into the video, once again, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So first off, I'm just going to be spraying my hair with some warm water and working that in a bit. Then I'm going to be going in with my Shea Mouisture-Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So this product moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp. It helps the appearance of split ends, and it also stimulates the scalp. And I've been using this product for a couple years now, well, a couple years or so now, and I absolutely love it. It does a great job with keeping the hair moisturized. Next, I'm going to be going in with some aloe vera oil I just made it with aloe vera and olive oil, and I'm just going to be rubbing it into my scalp. And this product is great for moisture as well as hair growth. Now I'm going to be applying my Shea Mouisture-Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So this actually does everything that the leave-in conditioner does. This is just helping to add extra moisture to your hair, and also it helps with styling your hair. Even if you're using heat tools, you can still use this product. Now I'm just parting my hair on the right side. Now I'm going to just add a little bit more water before I start actually styling my hair. And now I'm going to be going in with my Conair, I'm not sure the exact name of it, but I guess it's like a styling sponge for curls and coils. And I'm just going to be using it, and you have to use it counterclockwise. That helps to better define your curls. And I actually started using this because I saw Jay from Face Over Matter use a similar sponge, so I was like, maybe I should give this a try. It might help out my coils a little bit more. Now I'm going to be going in with my Shea Mouisture-Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Edge Treatment, and this helps to lay your edges down. Of course, it's not as thick in consistency as regular edge controls because this is actually an edge treatment. So you would have to apply it to your edges first and then put on your scarf. But it also aids in helping with the growth of your edges. Now I'm just going to be taking my scarf just to help lay down my edges, and I will see you guys in a bit to show you the finished product. Now I've already taken off my scarf, and I'm just going to be spraying my hair a bit just to make sure the scarf didn't leave any like dents in my hair. And then I'm going to be taking my pick and just picking out my coils a bit. And I forgot to mention earlier that whenever I do my hair, I do make sure I use the lock method, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. And that's how I always make sure my hair is moisturized. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.